boys keep getting belt to ass. Somebody go give them help. Shout out to the DMV, but somebody on Baltimore just got the belt. Four shooters bounce right out. Hit him 12 times, they did it well. Hit him 12 times, they did it well. Klein Book, make button twins. We lost his make brother. Can't forget that shit that touched his top. That nigga dropped his W. Can't forget the young boy from the back block. Yeah, he took off running. It was just me and Zion bending on the 9. We had 10 different niggas running. I put it on J every block. I swear he's getting funny. Pop up with the switch, whoever run. I swear I'm a touch pumpkin. Every time I send a blitz for my mom, they come back with a bucket. Me and Murder Luke was in that kill. We was trying to catch our son. I'm trying to see better days. I just tell niggas. Trying to walk on Baltimore for niggas jumped out on these different ways. These little try to chill with his attitude, that's the day. Fill us up with a glass, I hit his face, but Benji only got grades. Little boys keep getting belt to ass, somebody will give them help. Shout out to the DMV, but somebody on Baltimore just got the belt. Four shooters bounce right out. Hitting 12 times, they did it well. Hitting 12 times, they did it well. Little boys keep getting belt to ass, somebody go give them help. Shout out to the DMV, but somebody on Baltimore just got the belt. Four shooters bounce right out. Hitting 12 times, they did it well. Hitting 12 times, they did it well. Married the business, we done dropped 5 in a row, we on the road. It was a game, but now they know we in. I still ain't heard from me since nigga shot him out that fake ass coat. Fake ass dumb ass nigga had that fake ass goose on. I bounce right out, where's you going? I'm trying to chase me a nigga, erase me a nigga. I'm trying to face me a nigga. You know what it is.
Peace and quiet. So he cooked up KFC's $4.99 chicken hot pie. Warm, flaky, with savory sauce and vegetables. It's a tender chicken-filled excuse to get some time to yourself and step away from decking the halls. Whatever that means. The Colonel lived, so we could chicken. KFC's chicken hot pie. That's $4.99 you'll spend this season.
Prices and participation may vary. While supplies last. Taxes, tips, and fees extra.
With Black Friday savings at the Home Depot, you can get up to $1,400 off, plus get free delivery on select innovative appliances like GE Profile. Add a touch of ease to your holiday with the all-in-one combo to wash and dry your laundry in one machine. And refrigerators with built-in convenient features like the dual dispense autofill water pitcher. Shop Black Friday savings on select GE Profile appliances, plus get free delivery now at the Home Depot. Free delivery on appliance purchases of $396. Off valid US only. See store online for details.
Mr. Disrespectful. He without will disrespectful. And I just wanna drop. And I be dogging hoes. I guess I get it from my pop. You been taking so long. My man was back active. He just want a nigga block. 2 shots to his head and made him buckle to his knees. And I ain't gon' lie, we do the drilling shit with ease. And how you tryna beef, nigga? You ain't got no cheese. I ran up dog shit cause I be fucking with the peas. It's Mr. Disrespectful when these niggas know. How the nigga down inside his crib, look what they did to fro. I just got a call from the Dells, another op got pulled. So give me the rest, but ain't get back since blood got smoked. All these niggas died, they just keep running through my mind. And I just wanna say Currency name every rhyme. And I was in a trap when that corner selling dimes. And now
that nigga over with. Nigga thought I was lacking walking out bleeding, nigga. That's my hood, dickhead. No, I got some big shit. There's the bullets in my jumpsuit too. Walk around here, bitch, like make up mine. Nigga, free. Blood, nigga. People are walking down that street, you know that bitch. I pull up smash, shoot the cameras out there, walk them down. Nobody know what happened. Niggas know we OD crashing. Pulled the bags and walked that game. His mama swore he was a good time. PA, gotta let K-Drop straight. Tell the guy get sideways. Ho, behind me in that cat with those 6 I can't go. Ho, serious fucking with this shit. Now I gotta let me reach the rip. I gotta crank it in. Tripping it a bit. Niggas dancing for clock. Pull up on ass me with the booling. Those niggas out there. Hey, you see what I see? Cause if you see what I see, then that means it's just him, you, G-Lock, and me. They think BK smoke crack. Hell no, Lil Hot just got my blunt back. No, I don't fuck around with no crack. walking down bleeding with that shit. Extra bullets in my suit, I can't wait to let it hit. B12 walking down that street, you know that bitch can't pull off smashing. Shoot the cameras out, then walk them down, nobody know what happened. Like, I don't know why he dissing Mari like we don't know where he stayed. Bullet tray, bump out the T.A. slide the boss, ride no play. Niggas know we OD crashing, pulled through maze and work that case. His mama swore he was a good child, soon as that little boy get faced. Ain't no be quick to spit. Wrapping up like a block, I'm selling like a Christmas gift. Cops all over my body, but I walked up, feel like I'm Christmas stick. Been running laps around my generation, I ain't much bitch, you just got held to this. Too many cars and guns, we can't get good for this. You take the bus like smoke, trying to hit Christmas shit. We blow your loads and red on everybody clothes, look like we hate Christmas shit. Sleep in a row, put up, grab little bro, so you already know, try to play, I'ma switch some shit. 13 costs for the jacket, I had to rap it, then this the pain. Thinking like we gon' clap him, moving backwards, no way to think it's a drip. Look, he move like an actor, he like to pack them inside the truck they bring. Think about what really matters, better reach for it, I ain't being times 2, I done double that versus Kareem. Cut out the block, get a reverend, 187 is red color, take what it seems. Brother like matching the jacket, it feel like taxes, but really I save my cream. Back out the cut so dramatic, flash, I'm all that thing to me. And we both off foes and lean. Think bitch you wanna suck me? Yeah I might, but I don't wanna fuck follow. Everything ain't they gon' broke. Who the fuck do you think they gon' need? Some niggas say but they actor, he not a factor, he ain't unload a thing. I told him we both hit different hoes, but they both like when you sleep. You left his body in panic, he with the gas, but who you think Lil Dude seen? You drop the run, don't matter cause you know I got aim. Hop down, get a quick, we tap that brain. 50 shots like a Drake line down the E-way. Niggas all really switch their stuff for they chain. Nigga reach this way, we bust his brain. Do the dash, nigga crash, trying to get in my lane. Hop out versus fuck, I'm drilling that skate. Can't play, won't play cause they know I ain't safe. If I ever get past, it's a dance, they can change. Niggas don't give a fuck cause we try to be gay. Too low, too cute, you think that they pay. 50 hopping out, masked up like Jay. They ain't give a still got it, but we had to go take. Papa, you're getting more, now fly out of space. Hell, I ain't get a pass cause I only want space. Take a nigga to it, I just gon' take that chain. Lil Drake was spin, you can slide that blade. That switch go off, he quickly fail. I saw 12, then I quickly bail. We all got going one time in the jail. I got it, we got it, ain't never no meal. I know that they love me, they wish me well. Got too many, they know I'm going to hell. They know he was only time will tell. We hit his ass off, they saying get well. Give me up to the ground, I give him more shells. Mama start crying, bitch, oh well. Put a hole in his head, like he a wheel. They give us a free, buzzy shell. Dropping them bitches, they throwing up L's. Niggas told me they lame, but they really ain't no shit. In the school right now with a big in the swing. Got bird on my side, he tobo nigga. If I want it, gotta have it, I'ma take his kid. We clapped his home, he made a dick. Never cared about the time, kill a nigga and rig. Hey, don't go wrong, I gotta switch. I gotta get close, I cannot miss. I gotta get close, I cannot miss. I gotta go run, I gotta switch. Got bird on my side, I can't go nigga. Dodo, what's the word? Draco kickbox, I knock a nigga right out of his socks. Give him 13 shots out the block free hot. Can't stop, won't stop, time still niggas drop. Call him and his man, so they ass on top. Niggas scared to get up close, trying to shoot him down the block. I brought the piss fuck out my eyes, speed too fast, won't catch this cop. Bitch came in with the cops. 10-5, this a brand new Glock. Fully out on the back, you your ass in the box. If you tweak, your ass up top. All my old friends turn to ops. Chase niggas all down they block. Won't let a nigga take me out my spot. So much damn paper, shoot a nigga in his face, act like he rock. Boot up off an exit, then a pink rock. Red like me, go, ain't shit gon' stop. Step back, then blow James Harden with the rocket. His name was I, smooth his ass like a sock. Still do it for the trench, still post on cottage. Pop out broad day, give a fuck who watch. On my way back to Liz, finna go head shopping.
We all got Glocks, one had dad, but all got shot. I scratch off, I can't get fucked. Don't blow my gun, and hit my ox. Can't stop me, break the flip cat, ate him up, deal away, he left on Fox. I kicked that bitch right to the curb, she asked me why she can't suck cock. For that bitch.
Long little big Drake, long little big Drake. Like, free flows, control, free order, free Drake. Love, nigga. Y'all was on my show, look like top of hat. My love toss, no clapping back. Soon
them up, no need to flash.
I wanna fuck my bitch unless I get my ears. AJ, one is up though. So we're gonna get up with me. Me and the better go tell us first. Go.
That don't mean it hurts the flick. You get on that shit was wet. Every copy is slick. We'll get wild on any block. That early morning at 9 o'clock in school. That head top me. Type of hot. I see looking bitch block. Green for Mr. Box. She left the cop. Look right before hard shot. Got you to leave your body. I don't wanna catch no hard.